Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by granting the system the rights it needs. Open Settings and go straight to Notifications and Control Center. Once there, enable notification access for System UI and the data usage component. Make sure background data is allowed and Auto Start is turned on for the relevant app. This ensures the phone can read traffic and display it live. By doing this first, you avoid missing data or delayed updates later. Proceed only when those permissions show as green or on. Next, configure the status bar display so you actually see usage. In Settings, find Status Bar or Notification Shade options and locate Mobile Data Speed or Data Usage toggle. Turn it on. Choose your display unit, KB/S, MB/S, or percentage, so the readout matches what you prefer. Once done, pull down the notification shade to verify the live number appears. If it does not show immediately, reboot quickly. The change often requires a system refresh to populate the UI widget. Finally, confirm everything is working and fix common issues. Reboot the device to ensure the new settings take effect. You'll often see the live usage after restarting. If it still doesn't appear, check Battery Saver and Data Saver. Make sure they're not blocking background updates. As a last resort, reset System UI preferences or clear System UI cache and app settings. This restores defaults without deleting personal data. If problems persist, repeat permission checks and then test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.